Imagine being able to design professional presentations, landing pages, or eye-catching social media visuals, all within a few minutes, and without having to dig through endless templates. That's exactly what Gamma offers. Whether you're a marketer, a student, a small business owner, or a content creator, Gamma can help you build engaging, modern content with minimal effort, powered by AI. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Gamma step by step, from generating your first presentation to customizing visuals and sharing your work with others. Let's get started. To begin, go to Gamma.app and sign up. Link is in the description. The free plan includes plenty of features to explore. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll land on the Create screen. Here, Gamma gives you 3 main ways to get started. 1. Paste in text, perfect if you already have a draft, outline, or notes. Gamma can transform your raw content into a polished deck or web page. Import file or URL, great for enhancing something you've already built. You can import Google Docs, PDFs, or even a website to turn it into visual content. Generate with AI, this is the most popular option, where you give Gamma a short description and it does the heavy lifting. Let's take a closer look at this last one, the AI generation method. You'll now see a few options at the top to choose what kind of content you're building. Presentation, web page, document, social post. Let's say I want to build a pitch deck for a new food app launch and subscription. I'll keep the output type as presentation and set the number of slides, called cards, in Gamma, to 8. You can adjust this based on how long you want your deck to be. In the prompt box, I'll type something like, create a pitch deck for a food app subscription, featuring key features, pricing plans, customer benefits, and how to sign up. Click Generate Outline and give it a few seconds. Gamma now builds an outline across 8 slides, or cards, with section headers like TasteBud, your personalized culinary journey. The modern culinary challenge. Key features. Tangible benefits for every home chef. Why TasteBud? Flexible pricing plans. How to start. And conclusion, simplify, save, savor. Each of these cards can be fully edited, reordered, or customized. Let's say the slide title reads, The Modern Culinary Challenge, but I want to make it more compelling. I'll click the text and change it to, The Ultimate Food Challenge. To reorder cards, just click and hold one, and drag it where you want it. For example, maybe I want tangible benefits for every home chef to appear earlier in the flow, just drag and drop. Gamma lets you control the design and layout. If we scroll down just a little, you'll see a few different settings. Themes, choose a color and layout style. Soft coal is the default, but on the right corner you can browse many other options. You're not locked in and you can switch anytime. Content, decide how much information appears per card, choose from minimal, concise, detailed or extensive. Minimal is ideal for live presentations, detailed works better for shared decks. So I will stick to it. Image settings, you can set what kind of images Gamma should use. By default, it's set to AI images. Here, you also have other options, automatic, stock photos, web images, illustration, animated GIFs, or even leave space for placeholders to upload your own image. Since this is a product from imagination with no real images, I'll stick with AI images. To make your visuals match your branding, you can describe the tone and look you want. In the image style section, I'll type warm, inviting, natural lighting. Rustic with red and gold color scheme. Below that, Gamma gives you the option to select the AI model used for generating images. Flux Context Fast is the default, it's a good balance between realism and creativity. But you can preview others before choosing. When you hover over, can preview a sample image. Lots of different options here. Once your settings are done, click Generate. In seconds, Gamma builds the entire deck with slides, images, and formatted content, all based on your prompt. On the left, you can click through each card to navigate. The content is already laid out cleanly with slide titles, key bullet points, matching visuals, with your color palette, diagrams or charts where needed. You can tweak anything, click the text to edit it, replace or reposition visuals, or adjust the slide order. Explore yourself what Gamma offers you. Let's say you want to modify an image that doesn't quite represent your product. Just click on the image, and Gamma opens a side panel where you can request specific edits via text, change background scenes, add or remove props, regenerate the entire image with a new prompt. For example, I asked for a vibrant restaurant tablet displaying a meal planning app, and a coffee cup focusing on app name Tastebud on it, and Gamma delivered 4 updated visuals. Choose your favorite and it updates automatically. Now if you want to add a new slide, how to do it? To add a new slide, go where you want to add your new slide. Let's say right over here, click the Add Blank Card button, and you can describe what type of card you want. Let's describe the type of card here, add a slide introducing the chefs. Gamma generates a complete, meet our culinary experts slide with placeholders for photos and bios. You can also explore different layout versions until you find one that fits. For example, I would like to make tweaks to this card. For that, right up above click on this icon to edit with AI. We can even create an entirely new layout. When I click on this, over on the right side, Gamma generates additional AI layouts. You can preview and choose the one you like. I like this one, so I'll click on this and let's stick with this. We already know we can modify all these different images, texts and reorder cards or slides. But we can do more than that. You can embed videos, app buttons, forms, or charts and more. Head to the blocks panel on the right. You'll find text blocks, image and media blocks, video embeds, including YouTube, buttons like Learn More, Order Now, charts, graphs, and forms. Let's say I want to add a button below our main chef's bio. I drag in a button block, type the label, Learn More, and add a link and it's done. You can also modify the buttons in more way. There's lot of options Gamma provide that can create amazing things. Once your deck looks polished, go to the top right corner, click Present to view it full screen, use arrow keys to navigate. Subtle animations are automatically applied to text and visuals. Once everything's in place, your deck looks like it was designed by a pro, complete with on-brand colors, clean layouts, and visuals that actually fit the story you're telling. Whether it's a pitch, a portfolio, or a product launch, Gamma makes it feel like you had a designer and a copywriter on your team the whole time. It's honestly wild how fast you can go from idea to polished content without touching a single template or slideshow grid. And because the content is so modular, you can easily reuse it for social posts, landing pages, or internal docs. It's like building once and publishing everywhere. To exit the presentation mode, just press the Escape key. You can also share your presentation via link, or invite collaborators for live editing. Need to export? You can choose PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or get an embed code to insert it into a website. Here's a bonus features on Gamma. You can view analytics to see which slides people viewed most and where they dropped off. This is perfect for pitch decks, landing pages, or investor overviews. Click the home icon in the top left to return to your workspace. This is where all your projects, or gammas, are stored. You can sort or filter them, start from a blank project, or import existing content again. Think of this as your digital hub for all your visual storytelling. That's a full walkthrough of how Gamma helps you create beautiful, effective content fast, scroll-stopping content in minutes. Whether you're building a presentation for clients, a web page for your brand, or just want to make something that doesn't look like it came from a basic PowerPoint template, Gamma gives you the tools, and the speed, to make it happen. From AI-generated decks and dynamic visuals to interactive elements and export options, it's built for creators who want to work smart, not harder. So if you're tired of clunky slide editors or copy-pasting designs from 5 different apps, Gamma might just be your new go-to. Give it a try, explore the tools, and let your creativity run wild. You'll be shocked at what you can build in under 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to see next.